What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today just making like a small update on the car. So the inside of the car, there's not much been going on, it's just like loose. I painted the cross section for the engine display thing, just took out so I wouldn't ruin it. I painted the seats in red, and if you could see under the dashboard, I painted it in red, but now that I put it back together, you cannot really see it. So the seats are red. I actually wanted it to be in satin red, but didn't have any choice. The sides of the doors are red as well, but I mean, it looks way better in real life rather than it does on camera. The steering wheel has been taken apart, but it's just so that middle bit over there, and the button for sports mode, Corsa and Strada right there, the red button there hasn't been, and the hazard warning lights, that has been updated as well. So I painted other ones in silver and the middle one in red, otherwise all of them were black before. So also the paddle shifters are in grey because they were black, so they couldn't stand out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Also the Rasta being painted in white, and yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.